Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If it's your first video guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DiAndersons. I really hope that you guys find value here. All the returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video guys. I really and truly appreciate you guys. I wanted to do this video outside guys, but as you guys can see, it's raining, so you are stuck in my car with me. Nonetheless guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Now guys, what are we going to be talking about? This video guys is arguably the most informative video that I've ever done on this channel, and probably that I'll do in a very long time guys. This video is going to be packed with information for persons who are thinking of coming to Canada and thinking of coming to Canada with their families. I'm going to be dropping a lot of bombs in this video guys, so you want to be paying attention. Very important. You want to be taking notes, very important, and you want to be following up on all the things that I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, what am I going to be talking about guys? I'm going to be talking about an opportunity that allows non-immigrants to come to Canada on a work permit and the ability to take their families with them. Now, each province has their own way of doing it, but I'm going to be talking specifically about a stream that's been developed in the province of Alberta. It's unique to Alberta, so if you're interested in whatever I'm going to be talking about, you have to be interested in coming to Alberta, because that's the only way it's possible. Now guys, the process that I'm going to be talking about is called, or not the process, but the stream that I'm going to be talking about guys is called a rural renewal stream. Now, what this means guys, the government of Alberta in partnership with IRCC has came up with a stream that allows smaller towns in Alberta to hire persons from outside Canada and give them PR opportunities. Game changer. Game changer. Now, the cities that are participating in this stream guys, even though it's a rural renewal streams, it doesn't mean that they're all rural in terms of bush communities. No, as long as the city has less than 100,000 people, they are eligible underneath the rural renewal stream. I'm gonna be dropping a link underneath this video guys, so you guys can see all the cities and towns in Alberta that is participating in this stream. Now, what it looks like guys, underneath the rural renewal stream, you have employers who are participating underneath the stream. Each city has a list of employers, right? Now, all you need to do guys is to go on these list of employers and apply. That is it. If you are the successful candidate, then you get an endorsement from the city that you are applied for, and also the company, which you'd use to apply for a work permit guys, which brings you to Canada to work. And ultimately guys, this same opportunity will lead to permanent residency. I don't think you guys heard me right, so let me say it again guys. I'm gonna be dropping a link underneath this video guys that you can click on, that shows you all the communities that is participating underneath the rural renewal stream, which when you go into it, all you do, you see a list of employers that all you need to do is to look on which employer fit your qualification. You get to apply directly to the employers, and if you're the successful candidate, you get an endorsement that allows you to come to Canada. Guys, if you haven't smashed a like already on the video, please do so now, because this is a game changer. Right guys? The rural renewal stream guys is a big deal right now, and a lot of persons from different parts of the world are benefiting from this. So all my Caribbean natives, big up on yourself by the way, I want you guys to run into this stream and look on all the opportunities and apply. Now, Grande Prairie guys is one of those communities that is participating. Of course, Grande Prairie is where I'm living. Grande Prairie has less than 100,000 people, which means that it is a part of the stream. I'm also going to be dropping a link directly for the Grande Prairie version of the rural renewal stream, so you can see all the employers in Grande Prairie who is employing persons. Apply, get your endorsement and come to Grande Prairie with your family. Smash a like on the video guys if it is that this is something that you think will be beneficial to you and your family. Guys, this is a big deal. Big deal. Now, the small towns in Alberta, guys, is not as populated as the big cities, obviously. So the government of Alberta wants to bring immigrants to develop these places as well. So if you are skilled in any way, guys, if you are a chef, if you're a carpenter, if you're an office admin, whatever the case may be, there is a job for you underneath this stream, guys. Now, this is something that is amazing, and I'm so excited about it, because I've known persons who have gotten through personally using this stream. So I'm just using my platform right now to just put it out there so that anybody who's a part of the Andersons community can know that this is an opportunity that you can come to Canada and work. Guys, you never know until you try. Click on the links in the description, guys, and it takes you directly to all the job opportunities that's underneath the Rural Renewal stream in Grande Prairie. And also you'll see a list of cities and towns that is participating. All you need to do is to go on that city's individual website and see if you can find a list of jobs in those areas, so you can apply as many times as you need, guys. Numbers game, guys. Apply as many times as you need, and then definitely keep your fingers crossed that you will be successful. As I said, guys, I've known persons who have personally gotten through with this program. This program came into effect last year, 2022. It's now 2023. It's still early. It's not too late to jump on the bandwagon, guys. Apply, send it to your friends, send it to your families, and get all those persons in Canada, guys. Canada is grossly underpopulated. We all hear this, but they want workers. The labor market in Canada is suffering, especially the smaller towns, guys. Look into these opportunities and don't let it pass you by. It's a game changer. It's a game changer. So if you haven't already subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos, for more information, and for more ways that you can come to Canada, guys. If you find this video helpful in any way, consider liking the video and dropping a comment and let me know if you have heard about it already, or even if it's going to be beneficial to you. Look into the links and apply. And to another topic. Now, a lot of persons have been reaching out to me and say, hey, Dems, I want to apply for my study permit, or I want to apply to come to Canada via express entry, or whatever the case may be. These persons, some persons has difficult situations where you probably has been refused a couple times and you don't want to take the chance of applying again on your own. Guys, I have partnered with 2 agencies that is gonna be working closely with the Andersons and the Andersons community to provide that immigration consultancy that you guys been asking for. Now, one of these businesses, guys, is Aspire Canada. Here it is. I'll drop a business card right here. Aspire Canada, guys, what they do, guys, Aspire Canada look into your study permit application, link you guys with the perfect school that is fit for you guys, and help you throughout your immigration journey. So you're not just left on your own to just go out there and then do it on yourself, and after you get the permit, you're on your own. No. Aspire Canada, guys, will help you guys along your journey from start to finish. Game changer as well, guys. And even as it relates to the Rural Renewal stream here in Grande Prairie, Aspire Canada can definitely help to connect you with employers as well. Guys, smash a like on the video for me now, please. Smash a like on the video, guys. Smash a like on the video, guys. This is game-changing information right here. Aspire Canada, reach out to Aspire Canada. Be sure to say you got their contact information from Demar, from the Andersons, guys, and you guys will be able to be put in touch with employers who are urgently hiring underneath the Rural Renewal stream. Haven't you guys liked the video yet? Now, go and check out Aspire Canada's website. Their phone number is in the description as well. All the links for Aspire Canada is in the link down below. Next topic, ONPOINT Law. ONPOINT Law, guys. This is an amazing company. Now, the person who owns us ONPOINT Law is a Zimbabwean who has migrated to Canada, who lives in Grande Prairie, and she is the only immigration lawyer located in Grande Prairie, Alberta. And Cecilia and I has been great friends now, and we have partnered, guys. And all you guys need to do is to go to ONPOINT Law if you have difficult immigration situations that you need a lawyer to look it over with. And all you do, you use my name and you get significant discount. Smash a like on the video, guys. ONPOINT Law is run by, as I said, Cecilia. She's an immigration attorney. She came here in Grande Prairie in Canada from Zimbabwe. She's been here now a number of years, and her passion is to help persons migrate to Canada. Now, the fact that I'm recommending these guys, everyone, simply means that I trust these guys to take care of my family, which you guys are, and they're not gonna charge your arm and a leg. Consultation with Aspire Canada and ONPOINT Law is probably even free. Just use the Andersons name, just say Dems, just say Demar, and you guys are well taken care of. Now, for the distinction, guys, if it is that you have immigration battles, immigration struggles, immigration things that is causing you guys not to be able to sleep at night, and you need a lawyer to look it over, ONPOINT Law is your place to go. Link is in the description right down below. Check them out, shoot them an email, shoot them a message, say that you got their contact number from the Andersons, and guys, I promise you it will be a game-changing opportunity for you. Just like Aspire Canada, ONPOINT Law is also a part of the Grande Prairie community. So ONPOINT Law is able to also connect you with other opportunities that might be able to make it possible for you to come to Canada. That is it, guys. That is it. As I said at the beginning of this video, guys, this is probably the most informative video that I'll ever do on this channel, that I've ever done on this channel, guys. Right? There are so many information that's packed in this video that there's no excuses for you not to move to Canada. The only thing is, you're gonna have to come to a small town. Small short-term pain, long-term gain. Look at it that way. Right? Now, there are so many different opportunities, guys, but I wanted to zero in on the rural renewal stream. And also, I'm from Grande Prairie, so I'm definitely advocating for Grande Prairie, the city of Grande Prairie rural renewal stream. All the employers are listed in the link right down below. You guys can go check it out, see if there's anything that interests you. Apply. There's no limit as to how much persons you can apply for. And also, if you look in Grande Prairie and there's not any opportunity that might fit your skill set, look on all the list of small towns that is also hiring, and the link is in the description right down below. Check out Aspire Canada if you want immigration consultancy, more so for student permit, if you want to be linked with different schools, if you want that one-on-one help throughout your journey, that even when you get to Canada you have that support. Aspire Canada. Now, it's very important to know that Aspire Canada is located in Grande Prairie, but they don't only service clients who are coming to Grande Prairie. So if you're thinking of going to other parts of Canada, you can still reach out to Aspire Canada, use my name, and you'll still benefit from a lot of resources. ONPOINT Law is also based in Grande Prairie. However, it doesn't only focus on clients in Grande Prairie, right around Canada. Definitely check it out. Cecilia, who is the owner of ONPOINT Law, she's been nominated for so many awards. Woman in business, diversity. She's done so many speeches in and around the province of Alberta, in and outside the province of Alberta. Awesome people. Now, guys, I'll end it right there because I don't want to give you too much information. Information overload is not a good thing. So I'll leave it right there, guys. As I said, this is the most power pack 15 minutes you'll ever see on a YouTube channel. Subscribe. Really helps me out. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Look on all the links in the description. Share the video for your friends and family, and then take it from there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the love. All the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the community, and see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.